Rhino Cement Roofing Sheets. Then you know Rhino. I know.
Season 2 of the Lanka Premier League is done, with the Jaffna Kings crowned champions. Both the Kings and their fellow finalists Galle Gladiators were undoubtedly the best teams this season, and so our team of the tournament feature a number of their key players. Opening the batting will be two local stars of the tournament, Avishka Fernando and Kusal Mendis. Mendis finished as the top run getter of LPL Season 2 with 327 runs under his name. His standout performance was definitely the 85 he made against the Jaffna Kings in Qualifier 1, which enabled the Gladiators to go through to the final. Fernando was key at the top of the order for the champions. He finished just behind Mendis on the run getters table and was the tournament's only centurion, making a ton in Qualifier 2. Our first overseas pro is Tom Kohler-Cadmore. Phil Salt was the other contender for the spot, and he did make more runs than Kohler-Cadmore, but with the opening slots taken and TKC's runs in the knockouts, we had to give him that number 3 spot. At number 4, we have the reborn, virtually unrecognizable Dinesh Chandimal. With 277 runs under his belt at a strike rate of a whopping 150, he was an easy pick for our middle order. Bhanuka Rajapaksha comes in at number 5 in our team. Despite not getting a huge quantity of runs for the Galle Gladiators, Rajapaksha was one of the most flexible batters in their lineup and provided some key runs throughout the tournament. With 2 titles under his captaincy, we couldn't look any further than Thisara Pereira as skipper of our team. Panda made some important runs for the champions throughout the tournament and was instrumental in getting them those big finishes at the death. So he is our number 6. Rounding out that middle order is Englishman Samit Patel. Known as a batting all-rounder, Patel didn't make too many runs but was a revelation with the ball, picking up 16 wickets at a staggering economy rate of 5.76. There's an old saying that batters win you games but bowlers win you tournaments, and we're pretty sure this bowling lineup could win you a few tournaments of their own. First up, the paceman. Sri Lanka's spearhead Dushmantha Chameera will lead our pack with the ball, having picked up 13 wickets for the Colombo Stars in this season of the LPL. His partner will be none other than the young West Indian quick Jayden Seales, who had an incredible tournament despite not being a regular in the Jaffna Kings outfit early on. The spinners, well, there were quite a lot of impressive spinners during the tournament, but we had to go with the 2 guys who dominated throughout, Mahish Theekshana and the young at heart Imran Tahir. Theekshana was as brilliant as ever, bowling in the power play for the Jaffna Kings, and barring a couple of games, managed to give them that early breakthrough they were looking for. Tahir was used by the Dambulla Giants pretty much every time they needed a wicket, and boy did he oblige. The best part was that we all got to see that famous celebration in every game that Tahir played. So there you have it, that's our team of the tournament. You think you can do better? Tell us your best 11 in the comments below.
Stay on the ball with the Papare Sports News alerts. Don't miss out on what's happening in the world of sport. Type sports and send to 678 to register. 30 rupees per month. Conditions apply.